The topic of motor vehicle accidents in the state of Michigan is entirely different than that topic in other states, and that's because Michigan has a very comprehensive auto no-fault system. There's only 14 states in the country that have no-fault. Michigan's one of them, and the Michigan system is the most comprehensive and probably the most complicated of all of those no-fault systems. And the main point is that anytime there's a personal injury accident that happens in Michigan, there are at least two separate and totally distinct claims that the victim has. The first is the victim's right to recover no-fault benefits, typically from their own insurance company, regardless of who's at fault. That's why they call it no fault. And these benefits consist of unlimited lifetime medical expenses, 3 years of wage loss, and 3 years of domestic service expenses. In cases of death, there is a benefit that's called survivor's loss benefits, and that's payable for a 3-year period. The second claim is the liability claim, and this is the claim that is made against the party who caused the accident. And here the Michigan statute has very strict rules. You can recover two kinds of damages in this liability claim. You can recover excess economic loss, which would be those out-of-pocket expenses that are not paid by your no-fault benefits. The second type of damage that you can recover in this auto liability claim is damages for non-economic loss, such as pain and suffering, disability, loss of function, denial of social pleasure, those kinds of intangible damages. But in order to make a claim for those non-economic damages, you must have what the law refers to as a threshold injury. In other words, your injury must satisfy certain minimum indicators of seriousness. If you have that type of a threshold injury, then you can pursue this liability claim for non-economic damages. And it's very important for folks who have suffered injury in auto accidents in Michigan to understand that these two claims are totally separate. There's different laws that apply to them. You make these claims usually against different insurers, and there are very strict time limitations that are associated with these claims.